in 2013, I started this great new adventure when I became a first-time Jeep owner. And since then, this adventure has been nothing but exciting, fulfilling, and life-changing. Along this great trip, I come across many cool Jeep things. And not only do I come across many cool Jeep things, but I come across many cool, amazing Jeep people. This Jeep community continues to amaze me. It's unlike any other that I've ever come across. The kindness and the camaraderie is off the charts. Mike Manley, head of the Jeep brand, spoke at a press conference during the release of the JL Wrangler. He described the Jeep community as having a certain mindset unlike no other community. Jeepers bond with total strangers because of our kindred spirits. There's a down-to-earth appeal with the Wrangler that is so much deeper, and it's so hard to describe. But every Jeeper gets it. We call it, it's a Jeep thing. I love this Jeep community, and it's become my second family. We are a unique group of people with an absolute passion for the iconic Jeep, especially the Wrangler with its unmistakable style. We are loyal, proud, and love to share our passion for our Jeeps, whether it's on social media, out on the trails, or in the unique way that we modify our Jeeps. For more Jeep tips and how-tos, click the subscribe button and check out my blog at www.jeepmomma.com.